Welcome back to another video. Good afternoon, everybody. Please remember to please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. Okay, now I'm starting today's video differently. Normally I'll have my drink in the morning, but this afternoon I've been busy all morning, so I'm gonna go and take you through this afternoon. So in this drink I have beet, bell pepper, and mango. Always 1 cup of water. The only thing that is not frozen in this drink is the bell pepper, but everything else is frozen. Mango, beet, bell pepper. Well, yellow bell pepper. Oh, I am in the kitchen. Prepping for later. On today's menu I have jerk chicken, stew peas, but stew peas without the pig's tail for my vegans, and pumpkin soup. That's what I have been preparing. Plus I'm preparing also for tomorrow. Well, basically prepping, so when I finish tonight's event I'm gonna come home and prepare for later in the afternoon tomorrow, which is Saturday, but when you see this it will probably be on Monday. Let me show you some kitchen action. Rice and peas and the jerk chicken. Hola, hola, otra viernes, casi listo. When I get to the location, I'll film a bit more. Ooh, it has been a rainy day and I am a little bit late, but hopefully I'll make it in time. Gato gordo, Gloria Monster. I'm gonna show you what I have on the menu today. Jerk chicken, veggie, salsa for the jerk chicken, rice and peas, white rice, pumpkin soup, and stew peas, and that's it. Didn't film a lot, but it was a good evening in Gato Gordo, and a lot of support came. A lot of friends came to support, and I am super excited about that. It was a good evening. So I'm back home prepping for another event for tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that and I'll take you with me tomorrow morning, let you see what I get up to in the morning. We will continue tomorrow. And guess what, I'm not a night person. I like nights, but I'm not a night person. But let's see how long I survive these nightly events. Good morning, beautiful people. We are picking up where we left off last night, and I have a catering to do today, so I'm preparing the soup and I'm gonna take you through a bit of that. Let's get into it. Here we are. So we have chocha potato carrot. The dumpling is already in the pot, and we're going in with everything. And I'm gonna let this simmer down. Control your temper. When this is almost finished, we are good to go. Preparing the vegan. We have the coconut oil on low. I'm going in with onion, garlic, and ginger. Onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, and I'm going in with some seeds here. Toast it right now. Now I'm going to curry. I'm going to go with tomato. Stir tomato. Now I'm going to go in with chickpea and mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Let this simmer down. I'm going to put this on the back burner. Tiny Mighty Mexican Kitchen is preparing steamed veggie, and alongside we have the red pea soup bubbling again. I am here at an event that I prepared food for, and it's the final event for the day. I'm gonna show you what I prepared. No, y compra pastry aquí. I just finished. Okay, I just finished, so this is where I treat myself to this place here. You know, on the road, and guess who shit on my leg? See why I don't like walking on the trees, and I cannot make this shit up, man. Look at that. Ah! Ah! Oh! I just stop, stretch my sexy leg, and the bird go. Ah! There's a trash bin nearby. I want to put this in the trash. Boy. Can you? Well, they say when the bird shit on you is good luck. I'm tired of hearing this. I'm walking back home. It has been a busy day, beautiful day, productive day, and yeah. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna end the day by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and always look on the bright side. Peace. See you in the next video.